Forget showing your face. People are racking up millions just using voiceovers, stock footage, and smart scripts. In 2025, faceless YouTube channels are exploding, and some are hitting 83 million views in just 16 days. If you're not in yet, you're missing the easiest money-making niche on the internet. Faceless YouTube channels are basically the introvert's dream come true. You stay behind the scenes, let your voice or visuals do the talking, and still rake in the views. In 2025, they're not just trending, they're dominating. All you need is a few uploads, a decent watch time, and boom, you're eligible for monetization faster than ever. But here's where it gets interesting. The money isn't just in ad revenue anymore. Creators are stacking income streams like affiliate links, digital products, memberships, even sponsored shoutouts, all without ever turning on a camera. It's the ultimate low-cost, high-scale side hustle, and with the right tools, you can automate almost the entire thing. When it comes to picking a niche for your faceless YouTube channel, think of it like speed dating for success. You want something that clicks fast, keeps people coming back, and doesn't make you want to rip your hair out during production. Let's start with the MVP of faceless niches, celebrity gossip. It's juicy, it's fast-paced, and let's be honest, people can't resist clicking on headlines about who broke up with whom, or who wore what to which scandal. The best part? You don't need to know a thing about Hollywood. Just grab some trending stories, toss in an AI voice, layer it with stock footage of red carpets and paparazzi flashes, and boom, you've got content that feeds the algorithm like it's on steroids. Now, if you're more of a bookworm than a TMZ junkie, book summaries might be your golden ticket. You take popular self-help or finance books, boil them down into 8-minute wisdom bombs, and let the algorithm do the rest. It's like being the cool kid in class who reads the Spark Notes, but gets paid for it. Feeling a little furry? Pet content is basically the cheat code to instant engagement. Cat videos, quirky dog facts, chinchillas doing backflips, people will watch that stuff forever. Add a calm, charming voiceover and some upbeat music, and you're halfway to 1 million views before your golden retriever even finishes his nap. Then there's the ultimate set it and forget it niche, relaxing and study music. If you can loop a lo-fi beat and slap an anime girl at a desk on screen, congrats, you've unlocked the streaming jackpot. Channels like Lo-Fi Girl are pulling in over $100,000 a month, and they haven't changed their vibe since 2018. Chill music, cozy visuals, and hours of runtime, that's passive income with pajamas on. And if you've got a thing for drama, but like the ancient kind, historical storytelling might be your lane. Think plagues, empires, revolutions, but with memes. Channels like Oversimplified are racking up millions by turning history into binge-worthy entertainment. It's like sneaking broccoli into a brownie. Viewers feel smarter, but they're laughing the whole way through. The takeaway? Whether you're into pets, gossip, books, music, or Julius Caesar's bad day at work, there's a niche that fits your style and gets you paid fast. Alright, so here's where things get seriously futuristic, in the best way possible. Back in the day, making a YouTube video meant setting up lights, yelling at your editing software, and maybe crying over bad audio. Not anymore. In 2025, AI does the heavy lifting, and you just sit back and play Puppet Master. It all starts with your best friend, ChatGPT. Want 20 video ideas about millionaire cats or stoic philosophy for teens? Done. Need a script that sounds like Morgan Freeman meets TikTok Gen Z? Done again. AI doesn't sleep, doesn't complain, and definitely doesn't charge by the hour. Once your script's ready, it's off to the visuals. Platforms like Nim Video AI are turning simple text into full-blown videos. You type, it builds. We're talking custom outfits, background motion, cinematic lighting, the kind of stuff that used to take an entire production crew and 2 weeks of post-editing. Now, it's drag, drop, and done. Next up, the voice. You don't need a microphone, vocal warm-ups, or that one quiet corner of your apartment where the AC doesn't sound like a freight train. AI voiceover tools give you smooth, natural-sounding narrators that stay consistent across every video. Deep, calm, quirky, excited. You choose the tone, and the AI nails it. Thumbnails. Eyes got that too. Eye-catching designs, professional compositions, and faces with just the right amount of curiosity or confusion to rack up those clicks. No Photoshop wizardry required. All of this means you're not just working smarter, you're creating at warp speed. What used to take a week can now be done in a day, or less. That's how creators are dropping daily videos like it's nothing, and scaling channels faster than ever. This isn't just content creation, it's content automation with style. So, how do you actually grow one of these faceless channels fast enough to hit monetization in just 16 days? That's not a clickbait number. People are actually doing it. but it doesn't happen by accident. It's all about knowing how to feed the YouTube algorithm exactly what it wants. And what does YouTube want? Two things: clicks and watch time. Click-through rate and audience retention are the algorithm's love language. The more people click your thumbnail and stick around to watch, the more YouTube starts showing your video to others. It's like impressing a picky date. Get those first impressions right, and you're in. That's why your titles and thumbnails are your first weapon. Vague titles like "How to Make Money Online" are the fast lane to getting ignored. Instead, go for ultra-specific benefit-packed lines like "Turn $3,000 into $5,000, fastest way revealed." And the thumbnails? They should basically scream, "Click me," without feeling like spam. High contrast, emotional faces, bold text. Whatever grabs the eye without triggering the cringe. Now, once you've got something that works, double down on it. Don't reinvent the wheel for every upload. Take your best performing video, study why it hit, then create more using the same structure, same length, even the same type of hook, just wrapped in a fresh story or new topic. It's not about being repetitive, it's about being reliable. And don't sleep on YouTube Shorts. They're your shortcut to subscriber growth. Take highlights from your long videos, little nuggets of wisdom, spicy hot takes, or surprising facts. Keep them under a minute, toss in captions, and publish. One good short can land you hundreds of subs overnight, with barely any extra effort. This is where authority leveraging comes in too. New channels don't have credibility, but that doesn't matter if you talk about people who do. One channel exploded by making videos about NBA stars. No interviews, just smart commentary around trending players. And it pulled over 14 million views from just 14 uploads. It works in every niche. Tech? Talk about Elon? Self-help? Reference Naval or Jordan Peterson? Build trust by borrowing it. Now, let's talk game plan. How to actually hit those monetization numbers in 16 days. Week 1 and 2 are all about speed and consistency. Post 1 or 2 videos a day, every single day. Make them clickable, watchable, and niche-focused. Don't waste time chasing broad topics. Go narrow, go deep, and hit trending themes when possible. If people are already searching for it, you're halfway there. While you're pushing out content, the goal is to hit 500 subs and 3,000 public watch hours as fast as possible. That unlocks fan funding. You don't need to wait for 1,000 subs to start earning. And once you're monetized, it's time to pivot into phase 2, optimize and scale. In week 3 and 4, your job is to look at what's working. Which videos had the highest CTR? Which ones kept people watching longer? Study the data like it's a treasure map. Then use that to fuel your next uploads. Create variations of your best videos. Keep the winning formula going, but switch the context. New title, new thumbnail, fresh twist. At the same time, keep shorts rolling out. They're not just good for views, they also help the algorithm understand who your content is for, which speeds up your growth across the board. Once you're in the YouTube Partner Program, it's time to talk money, and not just from ads. Yes, YouTube ad revenue is nice, but the real pros stack income like a buffet. Start plugging in affiliate links, product reviews, tools, books, whatever fits your niche. Educational channels? Launch a mini course. Entertainment channels? Land a sponsor or two. Even simple callouts in your videos like, "Check out the link in the description," can start converting immediately. And the beauty of faceless channels is that once you've nailed the system, you don't have to be the system anymore. Outsource scripting. Use AI for editing. Hire a VA to schedule uploads. You can scale into more channels, more niches, and build a full portfolio of income streams without ever stepping in front of a camera. So yeah, 16 days might sound wild, but with the right niche, smart tools, and a focused strategy, it's more than possible. It's happening right now. So, how do you grow a faceless channel and hit monetization in just 16 days? It comes down to strategy, not luck. Focus on what YouTube loves: clicks and watch time. That means eye-catching thumbnails, specific titles that promise real value, and content that actually keeps people watching. Once a video hits, don't move on. Double down. Same format, new spin. And don't ignore shorts. They're like growth steroids for your channel. During the first 2 weeks, post daily, stay consistent, and target trending topics in your niche. Hit that sweet spot of 500 subs and 3,000 watch hours, and you're already monetized through fan funding. Then analyze what's working, replicate the winners, and start stacking revenue streams, from affiliate links and courses to sponsorships and beyond. The best part? Once your system's running, you don't even need to be in the room. Let AI and automation do the heavy lifting while you focus on scaling. If you're serious about building a channel that prints passive income, this isn't hype, it's a blueprint. So what's stopping you? Start your faceless YouTube journey today. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a shortcut to success.